Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix Engineers. In this video in system administration, I'm going to show you how to create a new directory. It is like how to create a new folder in Linux, how to create a new directory, how to create a file, how to edit a file, and how to read information are included in a file, how to delete a file. So let us start. So now we are going to start. Let's see the IP address of our machine, Linux machine, if config. So we have 192.168.0.105. So let's use putty. You can download it. It's a free putty 192.168.0.105. So you can let's increase the size of text. So let's use 24. It's applied. So login as a username is a matrix. So I have to provide a password. So now we are in our Linux machine. So now when we have this $sign, we are in a normal user. We don't have all privileges. So but to have you can't install applications and other things that you need to enable. You must move to super user or root user. So we use sudo to move to root user. We use sudo -i, provide the password. So now you see the pound sign. Before when we are in a normal user, we have this $sign, but in a root we have pound sign. So let's create a new directory or a folder. So use this command. Let's call it engineers. So we have created now a new directory, this directory engineer. So you can see I use this command to see the directories that we have. You see we have engineers. So let's add the directory called the matrix also. Let's call it matro. You see we have engineers, matro, snap, training, desk. So we are going to delete. No, let's move to matrix. Let's move to this folder, engineers. So to move to this folder, we use change directory, this command, the folder that we want, engineers. So now we are in this directory, engineers. So you see it is empty folder. We can create a new file. Let's create a new file. We use this command to create an empty file, touch. Let's call it index.txt. You see, we created a new file called index.txt. Let's use this command to read. You see, we have index.txt. So we can write something in index.txt. We can use this nano index.txt. So you can write something hello everyone. My name is, for example, Urukundo. So I am IT engineer. So you can save by pressing Ctrl X. You see, it asks save modified buffer. You press yes. By confirming this, you have to press yes or Y. Let's press it. So file name to write index.txt. So you see, we have index.txt in a matrix engineers directory. To look what is in index.txt, you use this command cat index.txt. You see, hello everyone, my name is Zurukundo, I'm an IT engineer. So, but we can move back to home. So to see the folder we are in, you can use print working directory. You see, we are in a root, but when you try to move in engineers PW, we are in a root user and engineers directory. Let's move. So now you see we have a different directories. Let's delete one directory. Let's delete macro. So we use this command, remove directory, mdir macro. Now we have deleted that folder. You see now here there was a macro. Now we deleted a directory macro. Let's try to delete engineers. mdir, remove directory, engineers. You see, mdir failed to remove engineers directory, not empty. We use this command mdir for deleting empty directory. If there is something inside the directory, we don't use mdir. We use remove rm minus recursive. This R is recursive, and you can add engineers. You see, now this command work. Remove a space minus recursive and the space directory name. So you see now all directory are deleted. So guys, do subscribe. I will show you many things about Ubuntu system administrations, and I will also install network monitoring tools that can help to manage network infrastructure, servers, routers and switches and firewalls. So I'm also preparing a course about networking where we learn more about Cisco FortiGate firewall, Cisco ASA Cisco routers, switches, FortiGate firewall. So do subscribe. Thank you for watching.